Okay, there we go. I was got a sound check. Oh yeah, just got it now. Caught it right at the beginning. It's not just you. It was me, but now we're good. Good, caught that within the first minute. What's good, everyone? What's up, Dr. Savage? Welcome back, y'all, everyone. Good having y'all back. Oh, nice, Clifford. Working on your next book, which decodes Black History Month. Excellent. And then make sure all the black people get that so they can wake up and quit worshiping MLK and all these other actors, thinking that they're here, for their own good. Him and Malcolm X, all these dividers. Well, I mean, there's some good messages for sure, but at the end of the day, it's all part of this racist BS from the Jesuits. Much love to you too, Marco. So you guys will get into it. I mean, today's 223, and it's funny. It's funny. I've even said this in the past. 223. You could even say it, for example, say, oh, 223. Maybe I want to, guys. I took a hit in the market, but it wasn't that big, and it's all because of what I've been saying. My risk management. I already pulled out. I'm bankrolling shit now. I haven't, and why did I pull out? Not because 223 was coming, although that should have been part of it. Because the thing is, 223 guys could have gone the other way. That's all you got to think. Like, could have been 223, some big, Elon Musk, Masonic 223. It could have been the day he comes out and says, some new shit and Bitcoin goes to like 100K. I mean, it could have been that day. So, again, I don't operate with fear in the market. I just use my strategy. So I'm not gonna let that scare me. But we're gonna talk about that too because it's selling off today. People are taking hits. Here's this guy on Twitter is talking about it just to show you. See, it always changes. I hate all these updates. Like I really hate all this like fucking updates. I'm not even gonna go back and find it. I mean, it's not a big deal. Just say lost, 60, 70K in the sell off. But see this? It gaps down. Sure, this candle before. I mean, you could say these are warnings. It broke the lows of these, but it still held this. This wasn't looking too good. I didn't look at the market yesterday, but again, this is following Bitcoin now pretty much. Why? Because Tesla. You see how they do this? They do this to make it all even more connected. Well, they make it seem like it's more connected, but it's all run by the same gang. So they say Tesla bought Bitcoin. So now, since Tesla's part of the S&P 500 and Tesla's money's tied up in Bitcoin, when Bitcoin sells off now, so does the S&P 500, the market. So, as we saw Bitcoin the other day, it even went lower than that. So, this is not looking too hot. And we did see the warning signs of the divergence, the declining volume, and this is going up. That was your first warning sign that shit was going to end soon. But it still looked like it had room to go up, to pop up, maybe try to test 60K. It was trying to test 60K, but it couldn't make it. So now it's going to have to it pull back, consolidate a bit more before it tries that. It needs some time. It's not going to just jump. Well, again, it can do anything at once. You always know that. Which is, I'm always speaking in probabilities. You have to understand it. Everything I say is probabilities, which means it can't happen. Like I said yesterday, it could have held this. It didn't though. It looks like it still wants to. I mean, look, it's still trying to close. And this is also why I like to enter these at the close of the candle because you want all the information of the day. This is still too early. Again, I would like to check at like 8 p.m. if I was doing this. I mean, again, I'm not invested in this, right? This could close down here and later on. It can close kind of up here, and it's different. If you umbrella inside this, that's a good sign. I like that. I just hate this increased volume. Again, this could be the beginning of a reversal. It can. These are signs of a reversal. So, I'm not trying to call a reversal, but there's signs of one. But it could also just still be a deep pullback, and maybe you can consolidate ABCD back on the way up. It's just again, if I knew exactly what was going to happen next, if everyone knew what was going to exactly happen next, they would just be impossibly rich. And also, that's why it's easier to know what's going to happen next on a smaller time frame. I mean, this should be way easier to day trade than the swing trade, in my opinion. Bobby Schmurder is out on 223. His full legal name is 223 in ALW Kabbalah ciphers, and his prison sentence from his arrest to release was 322 weeks. Oh my goodness. See how Bobby Schmurder's in a 322-223 ritual? Because Bobby Schmurder's an actor for the Freemasons. XRP is 46, US 59 Canadian. Huh. Sacrifice 46. Hey, Therese. Yeah, so this is definitely a pullback day for at least. I mean, guys, it could be some reversal again. You never, let's look a bit more at XRP, USD. But again, XRP, guys, this is my play for next year. Even again, I don't care about the price of this, like where it's at now. Right? If you're holding for a long term, or still, if you're holding for a long term, it just like how does it matter if you buy up here, down there? I mean, if you're in this range, if as long as I'm not making lower lows, like I don't, you're not buying all at once. But again, for long-term investors, these are the dips and pullbacks you're trying to buy. And you see how we're at the low of this range now. We're talking about yesterday. Yesterday, see where it closed at the top. It closed at the top of this range, this middle range here. This is why I say buying in the middle or the top of these ranges is kind of risky because now look, you're probably cutting your losses here. Versus now, if you're just trying to get in here, sure you can. But again, this is a 24-hour market. I think you should be actively watching it if you are trading it anyway, unless you have like an only daily chart practice. Holding long term, yeah. So a lot of these things I say to you guys, it honestly doesn't matter. Like, for example, people, there are a lot of people holding the market long term, and look at all these times it dips and sells off. But at the end of the day, you're still in the money, right? See, look at the coronavirus panic, and look what it sold off to though. Had you bought it in 2016, right? You have always been up, always. So if you're like a long-term person, you got to take what I say with a grain of salt. I speak from a trader's mindset, trader's perspective. I'm a trader and not an investor. That's just how my mind works. And we'll go back to that too. We guys see the 223 rituals on the front page. I mean, this is one of them though. Bitcoin selling off. And could the reversal start on 223? I don't know. I guess it's always so easy to tell. I wish I could tell you, bam. I mean, you could do some investigation. I mean, sure, we could see Elon Musk. Like, this is probably what you do. You see, okay, what's in store for tomorrow? The Society of Jesus 224. They have 47 numerology. Satan 55. Sacrifice 55. I think the best thing is Thursday because Thursday gives you the 68 for market. So maybe. But then how do you know what I'm saying? It's end of 56th day of the year. I don't know how this information can tell you the direction of the market. To me, it just says there could be some volatility. So this could easily be when the reversal starts and SPY breaks. But here's the thing. Here's, again, where the price action helps. I like to show, see, the indicator I don't have on here, but I should show you is the 50. Because the 50 moving average, again, a lot of these institutions use and stuff. So I'll show what the 50 is doing. Let me change this back to 180. But you see that 200, it's pretty much the same. That's just my preference. And then the 50. So we'll look at the green line and notice how, as it approached this green line, see it's getting bought up. This green line is a 50 moving average, and just for like, again, if you're really new, you can use these moving averages to just define your whole strategy around, and even if you're not new, I mean, because they work. It sounds dumb, but they do. I mean, it's because the people who move the money, they also trade around these, as you can see. So pretty much if it's above the 50, it's bullish, and if it's under the 50, it's bearish, essentially. And you kind of want to wait for to retest and hold down under the 50, and it's hard for it to do that. It did that during coronavirus, when it first started, but notice how it just doesn't do that for too long. Here it did. And so on. Yeah, I'm not saying that's a bear market or anything. I'm sure there's a definition for all that, but I'm just giving you an idea. So notice how it pulled back, and it looks like it. So it could. And then here's one thing I've also noticed: when candles close this high off their lows, if let's assume this closes like this, again, it's too early in the day to say that. It's kind of sketchy too because you can open up like under here, as we're seeing with Bitcoin, and then like you might have another day under here, and then hopefully it curls up. It's just. It's like when it's like this, it's almost like you should have just bought the dip down here. To me, this might be too high to get in almost. It sounds kind of crazy because it's not necessarily. Like, you're still in a decent spot, but not, like, it makes sense. But I'd rather wait. Like I even said it yesterday. When they have these big moves, it's good to wait like a day or two to see kind of like what range is going to form here. Because they could open up tomorrow here, also still hold the 50, and you kind of know, okay, this is the range we're working at. like Bitcoin's doing the same thing. Again, I learned that one from like a some. I learned stuff from all sorts of people all over the place. So this had a big move. So now between that and this, we've kind of identified this range, which again, even without this, you have known this is the breakout spot. This is the area I was looking at. This is this consolidation that we're getting stuck in. It's the same things I say all the time. You consolidate, you break out, if you retest it, you kind of get stuck in there for some time. And sure, maybe tomorrow this can open up and go lower. You can easily can do that. But at least it gives you time. That's the thing, it gives you time to think, to get out, to get in, to do things. So that's Bitcoin. And then they have mounting confirmation battle sends warning sign to Biden. This is just BS. What the Supreme Court ruling means for Manhattan DA's Trump criminal probe. Manhattan 29, like Trump, by the numbers. Office of the President-elect. This is probably an old photo because he's now the president. Confirmation duels over Joe Biden's cabinet picks have suddenly turned nasty. Ringing alarm bells about the cliffhanger nature of a 50 to 50 Senate and bitter fights to come over the president's ambitious agenda. So are they foreshadowing something that's going to happen the 55th day of the year tomorrow? Sacrifice 55? I don't know. Because I think a big day that is going to be this 225. I mean, Society of Jesus 56, Donald Trump 68, or excuse me, 48, Donald John Trump 68, Donald J. Trump 68, of course, Afro 68.
I'm humbled and honored 52. By the trust you've placed in me to work with this
trust
talented team on behalf of the American people.
Talented team of actors on December 1st, 2020. 121. Neera Tanden, is that her? The nomination of Neera Tanden, Biden's pick to lead the Office of Management and Budget, is in deep peril after Manchin jumped ship and a string of Republicans signaled they couldn't support her. Because it's divisive. They do that to divide you. Ridiculous. Oh, Alex has a riddle. Yesterday, with the announcement of Daft Punk splitting up in 222, they released a video announcing it with clips from their Daft Punk's Electroma video, which is 222 and LCH Kabbalah. Damn. Yeah, I remember them showing that Electroma. I was like, oh, interesting. 222. Interesting how they're using these Kabbalah ciphers for them as well. I mean, it was a very Kabbalistic video. Nixon died in reverse 50-day code. I don't know what that one is. I know he died on, November 22nd? Tomorrow's Nixon. Oh, Nixon. I was thinking of JFK. My bad. I'm thinking the wrong person. Nixon's death backwards, 422-224. Okay. Can have some riddle with that too. You can stop the trading if you apply for your live birth certificate and remove your last name, and it'll be recognized under GD. See, that stuff is all interesting to me as too, with all the birth certificate stuff. If my plan wasn't so much to leave this country, I'd even look more into that. But I'm like, man, if I wasn't even here, I mean, in another country, my birth certificate wouldn't even matter. It's the only reason why I haven't been too serious with that type of stuff, with the laws and getting this and that, and it's like, fuck all this shit. You live in a place because there's plenty of countries that shit doesn't matter anyway. I mean, they're so third world where like no one gives a shit and you can bribe your way through things. I think I said it a lot of times, but I think that's where we need to be. I don't know, in America where this is BS. Like, shit like, look at the nomination on the brink. And all they have is all the people here believing this shit, loving it. Tanden's OMB confirmation on brink of collapse after fouled GOP senators say they won't support her nomination. We got Dr. Fauci down in an ad. Yeah, this is, I want to say, maybe how many days from this what's her name? Neera Tanden's birthday. Because there's going to be Society of Jesus numbers from her name, probably. Jesuit order numbers. Catholic numbers. That's what I like to do sometimes. If it's just something so, like this, I don't really know much about, care much about. Look, 50 to 50 votes. She's 50 years old right now, America 50. But, from Massachusetts, 30. Wait, let me make sure that's 33. I know Delaware's 33. Connecticut. It's either Massachusetts or Connecticut that's not 33. It's one of those that's not 33. Well, so Massachusetts is 33, so it's not Connecticut. But there we go. Connecticut's 46. But Neera Tanden is an actor for the government. Neera Tanden, 47. 61. 101 to 26 prime. September 10th, 1970. This is just another agent. 199 days from her birthday, the 46 prime. Will we see this actor tomorrow? 201 days from her birthday? Either tomorrow or the day after. I think we will. I think this is not the first time we'll see her. They'll make sure to have her back 201 days from her birthday. Maybe we're just a bit early on this Jesuit number ritual. I mean, not a ritual in itself, just looking for that Society of Jesus number. This is from her upcoming birthday. Wait. I'm thinking backwards. So not tomorrow. It was more like yesterday or the day before, which is even easier to look at. So let's see. We're hearing about her today, but did she do anything yesterday? Wait, yeah, this is shit that happened yesterday, isn't it? Yeah. You see this? You guys, you see how you can just work backwards all the time? Just all the time. Because I thought I thought I put it in her last birthday, but I didn't. So when I realized what birthday I put in, I was like, wait, no, it's not tomorrow or next. It's yesterday, the day before, which is what we always see. Oh, maybe this came out yesterday. Maybe this came out the day before to make this pattern work. And I said, we're going to get the Jesuit Order, Society of Jesus numbers. I literally said, it's just BS. I'm sick of predicting this shit every fucking day and it's bullshit propaganda live. And then people are still fucking asleep to who's putting this out. I mean, are you not seeing this crap? This is published yesterday, February 22nd. Guys, this proves that this shit is real. This proves, not this propaganda, but this proves that they do this by the numbers. See, with the end dates, it was 200 days later. So I was like, okay, we just need one more day. We're so close to 201. It's around here somewhere. Right? See? With the end date, 201 days from her birthday. You see how I just worked this out? Sure, it took me a little bit of time. But if you see my workflow and thought process, I hope you see how organic, not this propaganda is, but me sitting here showing you this, how this is done by the Jesuits. I'm telling you that I don't know much about the political stuff. I hate this type of stuff. I don't like to talk about it, but the least we can do is look for the Jesuit Order, Society of Jesus numbers from their birthdays. Not what I just said. So we look at this actor. She's here today by the numbers. They're talking about her, but then we click on her name, and it's from an article published yesterday because that's when this vote stuff happened. And I even thought of thinking that way because I was like, okay, we're close to 201. The Jesuit Order, you know that they're doing it. You see how this works? The Jesuit Order 201, Event 201, it's from them. This is BS crap from the Catholic Church. I don't know what else I need to say anymore. Look, guys, this is the lab. This is an experiment. I mean, how am I doing this live? We get to this conclusion after what I say, and then someone's still confused at who's putting this out. There's no doubt that it's the Jesuits. There's zero doubts at all. So don't debate it. Don't ask about it. Don't wonder it. Zach wrote a whole thick book about this gang putting this shit up by the numbers. I mean, why are you still wondering who's doing this? 10 and 58, 22, 32. These are power numbers. We said this Houston power crap. Are they foreshadowing more stuff now? Maybe in Massachusetts or something? Guys, the stream's over. I'm about to charge my fucking laptop and go back to the chat and we'll look at some more propaganda, but I mean, there's nothing else to try to prove to anyone. We're done. I mean, not streaming, but we're done. with the blatant examples. This is stupid. I mean, I just don't know what else to say. 201 days from my birthday. After I specifically said we're gonna get Society of Jesus Jesuit order numbers for my birthday. Please, if you're a denier, explain. I just feel so bad for everyone here who knows what's going on because I feel like I'm just like talking your ear off for no reason. But anyone who's on the fence, explain. N Tandon 117, Capitol Hill 117. Like Central Intelligence Agency. I like the conversation you guys are having, starting LLCs. That's awesome. Yeah, the people who just left. I probably feel bad for them. Honestly, it's funny. I'm here telling them something so obvious because it went from 53. I know they fuck with the numbers, but still went from 53 to 51 people watching. I'm like, okay, I think they got the point. It's just from the. I'm going to TMZ. Like I'm sick of this shit. But if you just joined, I pretty much tried to see how many days from her birthday it was, and then I had to do some thinking. I was like, oh wait, this probably came out yesterday, and it is. And then 201 days from her birthday. Dr. Dre trashes his estranged wife in new song, calls her a greedy bitch. This is me another ritual by the numbers. And here's the thing. I can't guarantee you, like, guys, that was a guarantee. The last shit was a fucking guarantee because it's from Capitol Hill, the Catholic colony, Rome on the Potomac, run by Francis Pope. That's where we're just talking about, Washington, D.C., Capitol Hill. So, of course, we get 201, the Jesuit order. That's why I'm telling you shit like that. This, though, right, we can get other things. Rapper, rap, nigger, negro, right? We have a different cast of patterns we can get. We can also get 201, of course. But you understand how it changes now because we're talking about different actors in a different setting, but from the same employer. But I'm sure Greedy Bitch will probably be by the numbers. Dr. Dre, all synced up. And when I ever say probably, I mean like linking that with Dr. Dre's name, Dematria. But it is 100% by the numbers. I mean, it is. There's no probably. Look, Greedy Bitch 56. Like Society of Jesus. Look, Society of Jesus 191 and 56. Just as I'm saying, we're not going to get their numbers. Yeah, but really, I specifically meant from their birthday. But if we don't get it from their birthday, that's what I'm saying. We'll get it in the headline. Society of Jesus 191.56. I mean, what are the odds of that? The last two things we decoded, one equaled 201 because it's 201 days from my birthday. The other now, Society of Jesus. And I literally said that's all we're going to get. Again, it's not about what I say, bam. I'm not trying to talk myself up. I'm trying my best to explain to you. If we're saying it before the decode, daily, every time we're doing this, before the decode, very consistent, showing you this all the time. There's no way to deny it. That's why I do this. There's no way to deny it. And your cognitive dissonance probably shouldn't save you either. That's why you probably should just leave and unsubscribe. Because, I mean, come on, man. The examples will never stop. Dr. Dre, 86, reversing the alphabetical order, right? Where A is 26, Z is 1. You add the letters in Dr. Dre up, you get 86. And what are they doing with the update time? 8:06 a.m. I mean, do you get it? Blood sacrifice 86, estranged wife, just, removal away you used to be kind of thing. They're using that as well. But Dr. Dre 86, 8:06. I try to talk slow and clear. I try my best, at least for these clear examples that you see exactly what they are doing. That's all I want you to do is understand that this is what the Jesuit order is doing. I get nothing, no monitor, no, nothing. I get no benefit off doing this. No monetary benefit, no health benefit, nothing like that. I mean, mental health probably, which is pretty important. That's about it. I'm doing this for your own good. I'm trying to let you know this is what the Catholic Church is doing. And again, and anyone who does make money off this, more power to them. That's awesome. I think I'm glad that they're finding a way to do that with this, especially with the rig sports. I'm not talking down on that. I'm just saying, anyone new here, like I'm trying my best to let you know, like I'm here to teach this to you. We can say days from Dr. Dre's birthday. He's here. I don't know if I can read the whole thing. I think I've just been talking a lot this video because of the examples. I'm just sick of them. 201 days from this actor's birthday. This snooky-looking actor now with Dr. Dre. February 18th, 1965. Oh, we just had a birthday too. What, 5 days from his birthday? When you write out 5, you get 42. Yeah, typical. Right now he's 56 years old right now with the greedy bitch 56. See that? Bitch 42, 5 days from his birthday. Come on, man. See, bitch 42. This is a female. Well, in the narrative, the fake narrative from the Jesuits, this is supposed to be a female, which equals 42, like feminine. You know, this horse-faced act. I don't know what this is. People talk about Sarah Jessica Parker looking at horse. What about her? This is a trillion times more horse-looking, even. Nicole Young. We'll see what it is from her birthday, at least. I think, you know, there could be something from Dr. Dre's upcoming birthday, but I think the 5 days what they're really hitting home with as well, definitely. I mean, when you read up 5, you get 42. Like bitch, like female, like lady, like nigger. Nicole Young, 59. Wait. Oh yeah, it's his ex-wife. Okay, I was like, okay, Nicole, because I know it's Andre Young, right? Nicole Young, 59, like slave, Rasta, Negro, blues. God, man. When will people wake up and see that the world of celebrity is fake? It's a bunch of BS. I'm trying my best to show you this, and then people don't ask questions. Not you guys. You guys ask great questions, or you don't have any. I mean, the people who deny this stuff. Someone's here now, probably confused, but afraid to ask a question, and you know, people in the chat will happily answer for you. So we don't have a birthday for her, at least here. Nicole Young birthday. Their daughter, truly young. Yeah. Idiot birthdays. Oh, it says idle birthdays. I'm not even trying to be funny. I literally thought this is idiot birthdays. This is idle birthdays. Here, famous birthdays. This is the site I like to use. Other than Wikipedia. I've only seen these people being wrong like once. January 1st. See, I hate it when they do this, though. I feel like I've seen it so many times, too. It's like January 1st, 1970. Just like a default date. And I swear, isn't this like the default date? Because like whatever, I forgot the technical reason behind it. Like we'll do it, but I'm sketched out to do this, to be honest. I mean, it's possible. They're around the same age, right? Not that that matters too much, but yeah, like 5 years older than her. Okay, this makes sense. But yeah, I try to be as exact as possible, you know. Just to show you. I mean, I'm trying my best to show you this is what they're doing. I don't want any kind of things in the way, you know, to enable you to deny this. But come on, 54 days from this Jesuit order actor's birthday. Jesuit order 54. Conspiracy 1, 2, 3. As well as Dr. Dre equals. Oh. Andre 42. Like bitch. Andre Young. Oh my god. Oh, this is okay. This is 1, 2, 3 with it ended. Okay, so they didn't do 1, 2, 4 from his birthday or from her birthday. Divorce. You know, doesn't that equal 1, 1, 3? Yeah, it does. Of course it does, because your language is created. I mean, it's just so dumb. Divorce equaling 1, 1, 3. Infidelity 1, 1, 3. You're dishonest. Not true. Green screen. Mainstream. You know, bullshit. Politics. I just can't believe that these all equal 1, 1, 3. And then there's some idiot out there like, oh yeah, they don't make our language. This is all coincidence. Come on, man. You could, but then because this is what they'll do. They'll say, well, you know, nonsense isn't equal 1, 1, 3. That's what they'll say. Nonsense isn't equal 1, 1, 3. So it's all coincidence. This literally, I've gotten this so many times from fucking dumb people who just don't think. They think that every last word has to be 1, 1, 3, or the word that they think, you know, matters should be 1, 1, 3. And if not, then we're just making it work for us because we're just finding words that all equal the same number and so conveniently. Like, it's like why? I hate. They're just so passive of everything. They just kind of dismiss everything. Don't think anything through. It's like no, and it's also not coincidence, obviously, that nonsense equals 33, and of course 666 in reverse Sumerian. Oh my god. Masonry 3339. Like nonsense. It is nonsense from the Catholic Church. Nicole Young looks like the Dwayne Johnson. Yeah, don't be surprised. They have the same whatevers. Male and female. Did I recover BTC? Yeah, but we can go back to it. I just want to always make sure to get like a good chunk of gematria time in. If your LLC owns the house you live in, contact contract out your second LLC property manage it. Then you got to pay someone to fix plumbing repair. Like so you pay yourself to fix your own house. Man, this sounds awesome, man. Yeah, like I said, this is fucking. This is how you do it. This is how you use their system. Cause you probably pay less taxes, all sorts of shit like that. I'm gonna start doing stuff like that. I'm gonna get some things in order and yeah. So I love how everyone in the chat's looking at your ideas and learning from them. It's just amazing. That's why I like to stream. Is that just what I'm talking about? It's the stuff going on in the chat. Mahalo says they sat down to read the Bible for the first time. It's fun to read it through the lens of it being a script. It actually makes sense. Totally seems written by Shakespeare too. Yeah, I mean, there's definitely like at the extreme very least, it's this gang of Jesuits. They completely rewrote it, edited it, did everything they could to make it the way they want it to be. That's why they took out books. They have certain words and phrases and exactly how they want it to be. Again, I don't throw a baby out the bathwater. I think the Bible has a lot of things in there that I like. A lot of things in there. I'm like, okay, this is cool. I like But yeah, sure. I do. Yeah. If someone calls me a cherry picker, yeah, I do cherry pick the Bible. So does everyone else, and I will. I'll cherry pick Jesuit edited information, or at least incomplete contrived. I mean, it was all written by, regardless of who it was written by man. God didn't just use his own hand and do it. He had a man do it, and we're supposed to believe that that man was uncorrupt, just like all the popes supposedly. But we know they're a bunch of actors. So, you know, anything from if the Bible says something that I like, sure, I'll take it. And there's a lot of things they say I like. There's some things they say I don't like. I think it's with any book. Bobby looks ecstatic to be a free man. 322 from his birthday, as Alex pointed out. 848, nigger 48. Jesuit 84. He's free. Calls mom after early prison release. Quavo just posted a video of himself with Schmurder hopping out of private jet. And look how these are two actors in costume. They're wearing the colors of their employer. Just think about it. Why do they match the color scheme of this website we're looking at? Notice how TMZ is the same color scheme they're coming up with the same colors on? Because this is TMZ. Putting this out by the numbers. 7:07 a.m. That's what Bobby Schmurder equals. Guys, just think of all the riddles I missed too, because there's some of the things I just don't even decode. Bobby Schmurda, 68. We'll probably hear from him again in a couple days on Thursday. It's just so dumb because when we hear about him on Thursday on TMZ front page, they'll say, I told you so, and then just guess what? Nothing will change. Everyone will still be fucking fast asleep, wearing masks in their fucking face. Schmurda, 84, like Jesuit 84, 42 and 30, nigger 42, 30, Masonry 84, Masonry 84, 42 and 105 and 39. This is an actor for the Freemasons. That's when 223, Masonic 223, this bitch ass is coming out the plane by the numbers. 322 days from his birthday. I mean, come on, man. This is an actor. Schmurder 4. I don't know what 4. I don't think that's a prime. Yeah, but let's pull him up and look at other things about him. Bobby Schmurder. Didn't this happen yesterday? Because I swear they were talking about him yesterday. Hot nigga. This is a song. I remember this song came out. Oh, so it was released today. I guess I'm just tripping. On February 23rd, 2021, it was released from Clinton Correctional Facility. Clinton equals 33. He'll be under supervision until February 23rd, 2026, when he completes his full sentence. So he's probably gonna, violate his thing a certain amount of days from his birthday and a certain amount of days from today and go back to jail or something. Guys, this is an actor for the government. I mean, everything he does is by the numbers. Akil Jean or Jean Pollard. His full name equals 199 to 46 prime. African American 116. This is one of their actors. Is African American. Sacrifice 46. 341. 82. His name equals 263 to 56 prime. Akil Pollard. The 56 prime Society of Jesus 56. So I really think this guy will have something on Thursday. I don't think, or not. Yeah, maybe not going back to jail, but again, he has the 68 connection in his name, the 56, or sorry, the 56 connection. Yeah, he's connected to both these numbers. Bobby Schmurda 68, right? So Bobby Schmurda 68, and then Akil Pollard 263 to 56 prime. Sure, we might not see him, but it's just possible. So just calling it out. Guys, Hot Nigga is a song from the Catholic Church. That equals 8145 like Ritual. Key of David 135. He's from Brooklyn, New York. You see this? This is a 223 actor. Look, let me copy Brooklyn, New York. Look what happens. See? New York, the state, the 11th state. Whoops, I thought I copied it. I'll just type it in. Brooklyn, New York, 223. Brooklyn, New York, 223 to 48 prime. So this actor coming out 322 days from his birthday. Let's just see this. Maybe I was thinking what Alex told me in the chat, but let's look at this up. But regardless, guys, you guys in here by the numbers. It's not trust or believe or anything. It's just I want to show you today to his birthday, which is what, August 4th. Jesuit 84, guys. This is an actor for the Jesuits. I cannot say it enough. They're just branding him constantly. I think it already seems kind of too far. I think I read it wrong then. So I probably got the 322 wrong. It's not from his birthday, but we'll see how many days from his birthday it is. Good, we have new numbers to work with. Sacrifice 62. 29 weeks. 619. 114 prime. It is Juneteenth. 163 days to 38 prime. Rapper 38. I mean, do you see this? This is by the numbers. Rapper equals 38. 163 days from his birthday. He's getting released from jail. Death, killing, murder 38. RIP 38. Rapper 38. They use this all the time on rappers. That's what they killed him too. 163 to 38 prime. This rapper. 232. God. I think this is what she types, but you see this is what they're doing. I mean, come on, man. This is a 223, 322 Masonic actor. Sure, Satan 232. But today is what? 23/2. 23 weeks and 2 days from his birthday. He gets released from prison for his upcoming birthday. Also, Jesuit 21. It's without the end date, 23 weeks and 1 day. The 21st Strangler number. This is an agent. This is a complete agent. So I believe these people are in jail, serving their time. Maybe they could be. It could be all part of the mockery, but I don't think these people are in jail. Don't forget to end any official or legal document you sign with all rights reserved. It's important. Thank you. Shmurda is a straight mockery of a name. Yeah. Big mockery. Shmurda whack, though. The same indoctrinated law system for the elites always let these folks out and give fake charges. Exactly. And it, of course, makes black people look worse. This black guy in and out of jail, black men in and out of jail, gun charges, violence, rape, all these things. It's all part of that, too. Hey, Devin McClain. Pope has a trip to Iraq on 3/5. His 33rd visit abroad. Tomorrow could be a primer or a magnifier. Definitely. Because the Society of Jesus 224. I think you're really onto something. Catholic 35. Rapper and agent equals 74 and 88. Unbelievable. That's what they are. They're agents. They're literally agents for the Catholic Church. 4788, rapper 7488. These are agents. This is literally a federal agent. Bobby Schmurda. 4th of August, 1994. Catholic 35, born day with 35 numerology with 149 days remaining, the 35th prime. Black 106, Prophecy 106, the Key of David 216. Skull and Bones 149. It's almost like I'm gonna look at this guy's name one more time, and then we'll go to some more Bitcoin. I know someone asked for Bitcoin. I know some people just joined as well. Execution also equals 116. So again, his first and last name equal to 38 prime. Also, right? Today is 163 days from his birthday. Oh, we already had. Never mind. So you can work backwards. Did we hear about this guy? 5 days ago, 6 days ago. I mean, maybe. If it's not as quick as, I mean, it'll be hard to do today because they'll just give you everything about him being released today. Like you have to go pretty far back, right? This one's what 208 days ago. Interesting. After 6 years, he was in six years in prison. Oh, okay. So here's another thing they're doing. This is a Saturnian ritual. Black man 21, Saturn equals 21. Right after 6 years, 21's a six triangular number. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 equals 21. So in 2021, after 6 years, right, he gets released from prison. This is how they're doing it. NY prison. See, in the Clinton Correctional Facility, probably named after George Clinton. And Clinton equals 33. Rowdy Rebel praises Bobby Shmurda. Oh, hot new hip hop. We can expose hot new hip hop real quick because I want to show you how new hip. I want to show you how new hip hop is from the Jesuits, obviously. Cool. We don't need daily fucking news. 22/28, 10/28. Death 228. But I don't know if that's what they're doing this one. Rowdy Rebel pens tribute to Bobby Shmurda. I thank God I got a friend like you. This is February 8th. This is a what? This is some time ago. 58-second video. Freemasonry 58. Or if I'm going on too long on this now, but here, this is more information. This is how it always works anyway. Rowdy Rebel, how many days from his birthday did he pen tribute to Bobby Shmurda? It's going to be the same numbers we already saw from this guy's birthday, too. That's the whole point. This is crap theater. Another rapper from Brooklyn signed the GS9 and Epic Records. So you know he's, again, this is the cheat code. If you see how he signed to Epic Records, why would you ask, is this guy an agent for the Jesuits? He's one, guys, Brooklyn, New York is a farm. They farm musicians and rappers out of here. Yes, they do. A lot of them are farmed in Brooklyn, New York. The big who 223 neighborhood. And this is another farmed agent, another farmed rapper. So November 24th to February 8th. All you gotta do. Or the day it actually happened too. We'll just do that first. His past birthday, February 8th. which is 15 days, before he gets released. 11 weeks. I'm like, I mean, come on, man. Oh, that's what the end date. Okay, I thought it was 11 weeks on one day, but still, like 2 months, 16 days. Just got Bobby Schmurder born on the 216th day of the year, which I didn't even tell you. Yeah, him and Obama, Meghan Markle have the same birthday. I didn't even know that. So again, Barack 216, Obama 84. This guy born on Obama's birthday. How old was Obama then? This is synced up. 1994 minus 1961. They definitely synced this guy with Obama. Obama was 33 years old right there. New York 33. So this guy was born on Obama's 33rd birthday. Now with the Clinton 33 correctional facility. Let's see if they do. See, this is a rabbit hole. Guys, this thing, there's a lot of rabbit holes, but they're proper rabbit holes. Not like the rabbit hole, not in a bad way, right? But this is how they do it. I mean, you can, like, once you realize how connected this shit is, you can do more investigation and see how they had Obama, Bobby Shmurda. See, it's hard to imagine that Bobby Shmurda has been in jail since the Obama administration. See, that's even they're letting you know that. Why are they even letting you know that part? You know what I'm saying? Born on his 33rd birthday. This is why this research is so fulfilling, because it is impossible. Guys, that's why my streams can be so long. That's why I can keep talking. It is impossible to run out of shit to decode and share. It is impossible. Completely impossible. I mean, if I sat here constantly for the rest of my life and did this without any breaks, I wouldn't cover everything. It's all encoded, all connected, and I mean all in the mainstream from the Jesuits. Not every last thing in the world, That's not what I'm talking about. King of New York shit. So this wasn't what we're seeing here. Wasn't 11 weeks and 1 day from his birthday, but still, New York, the 11th state. Negro 76. Without the end date, should be 76 days, right? Yeah. Black 106. Another 106 also used on Bobby Shmurda. You can see how many days these people were born apart. Bobby Shmurda and then this Rough Rider, whatever his name is. Rowdy Rider, Rowdy something. 113 days apart, 113 days. 113, nigger 30, it's the 30th prime. Alright. That took a little longer than I wanted, but that's what happens when you talk about these actors. And now I hope the chat's still going. Yeah, that was an extra like 20 minutes of the same thing. Because I guess that's how it goes sometimes. It's like, because I don't edit these videos, so like sometimes I'll just do something like that, and I can't edit it out. I guess it just happened. So if you lost attention there, it's fine. Sometimes they keep going, but I'm sorry they link them up with Obama and everything. I mean, what do you want me to do sometimes? This is how it goes. I don't want to log in these people. I don't know why they keep asking me that. So what I said earlier is that Bitcoin, sold up again today. I still feel like it's like because what most likely are gonna get the next day, like an inside day, right? Like, sure, it's nice to catch these dips, but I think you kind of want to wait for some confirmation of like a continuation of a trend, because this is a big dip. I mean, look at this. Sure, this, but again, a lot of this volume I think is from the dip buyers. So I don't put too much weight in like a big red candle like this if you have a big bottoming tail, because that influences the size of that. But so here's kind of one trick I do when I see the volume. Because for example, if I was gonna go short, I would honestly, I mean, I probably would have been even short yesterday. I mean, I wouldn't have, but today would make me probably want to go short. But anyone who went short yesterday, or at least to open it today, good for them. Especially as you're eating this tail. This is called eating the tail. And as you like kind of go sell off and towards like the previous wick, you have a higher chance of just completing that. So whenever you see something eat the tail, you kind of just want to follow the direction of that eating the tail. This also works on the upside. Even here, I mean, they didn't fully do it here, but it's still like these closed at their highs, trying to cover this tail. I mean, it still worked over these 2 days. These are closing at their highs, so like you kind of want to kind of do that. So, what's I going with? I mean, I guess if you got a specific question in Bitcoin, but this, I mean, could this be a reversal? Yeah, it could be, because this to me looks like a momentum ignition. The volume here is just much higher than it was over the past like couple weeks, or at least the past week. And sure, you still have a lot of these green candles that are bigger, but see how the red candles are now bigger? So this says like maybe this dip might not be a dip. This could be like you could buy this dip now and they can open up even lower, and the next thing you know you have 40K. Because the next stop is 40K. It's gonna probably hover here, and you'll do what's doing there around 40K if it keeps selling off. If it breaks this, and if you're trying to short, that might be your plan. Like I would probably short under this. I mean, if it breaks, yeah, the low of this today's candle, I would keep going lower. But again, it could base out here, consolidate, maybe even go a tad bit lower, but kind of curl up, right? And then maybe after some couple weeks, then work its way back up. It's like I did here. See a nice uptrend, and then you start getting these. A lot of you see this big red candle. It's still a high volume red candle because yeah, sure, it's not so bad because of this dip by, but still, even after this, what happened? It had to work its way out for a couple weeks. So these big, like these kind of bigger pullbacks that are bigger than what you had before, you kind of want to expect a little bit more time before it can curl up and keep going again, right? So you can get the same thing again here, just over some. That's just how usually those things work. It's all statistics. It might not happen. I guess another thing, guys, think about it. They can give you sort of propaganda. Oh, Tesla, right? Elon Musk bought the dip. They can literally say that Elon Musk bought the dip, added more, and what do you think's going to happen? This. Then they can probably just rip up after that because everyone will just be buying with them. Oh, Elon Musk bought the dip. I should too. That's all. That's all they literally have to say, and they could do it on that Thursday with that market date numerology. Thursday on a 56 date numerology as well. Again, it doesn't have to happen this way. And yesterday was really the big Bitcoin day because Bitcoin 45. Yesterday was the 45 day numerology. Because kind of is when this happened, but today it's continuing. And it's too early to tell. Look, it's. I mean, it looks like once it close at its lows and lower. This is not looking good for Bitcoin right now. But I just think it's too early to tell. But I probably wouldn't buy the dip unless if I was if I was trading on a shorter term. As I said before, if you're holding for the long term, then you probably would. I mean, it just wouldn't matter. Like, why not add a little bit on this dip? Why doesn't Zach hire me already? I mean, I feel like it doesn't need. Like, I'm trying to say this as in, I feel like when he's ready to do it, everything and everything's in place, then he'll do what he needs to do. But I feel like there's no like rush to hire me or anything right now because I'm sitting here, I'm putting out this information, I'm streaming, I'm doing stuff. You know what I mean? It's not that he doesn't want to hire me. It's just he's getting things in place. And I've said before, like I think there's someone out there who they need that opportunity. They probably need the money. They need like the motivation because they need to be part of something and like they need to be official and organized. There's people that just like their brains work that way. They need things like structured for them. So that's someone who just probably just needs that, and I'd rather have them take the position, someone that needs it, than me that sure I guess like you could say I need it, but I don't feel like I need it. Like it's free as a want, right? It'll be awesome to be part of it, but it's just you know I'd rather have someone just benefit from it if they can benefit from it more. There's a lot of people in this community that are just down and out. You know what I mean? Can I go over the Gematria of market maker? Sure. They buy blank. I just I think things just take like a whole lot of like I'm a person that want to like jump into things head first either. I think things should be planned and like kind of thought out first. And even then, like I mean, I feel like what I'm doing now is perfect. Market maker 44, 181, the 42nd prime, like Jesuit 42, and 21. Look at this. Look at because the Jesuits are the market makers. Market maker 181, the 42nd prime. 73 to 21st prime. And we have Jesuit with those numbers. MM. I also look at market maker. MM 44. M's the 13th letter. It equals 44. Execution 11644. What do? They execute orders essentially. They do. They take the order flow information and execute them. That's literally what they do. Execution 116 and 44, like market maker. And you spell it right. Unbelievable. That's not guys. That's not guys. Again, who the term market maker? That's a term given to you by this gang. They could have been called anything else. They could have had like an official term or something like that. Not market maker. Guys, the Jesuits, they're into this. Liquidity provider. Because they're the ones with the orders, right? Like you send your order to the exchange, they can, right? They make the orders happen. They execute them. I'm trying to think if I'm wrong. I'm not. I mean that they're the ones who do it. That's how they make shit happen. That's how they rip shit up. They're the ones who get the order flow. Oh, okay, the order, you know, oh, a lot of shorts are up here, their stops are here. Okay, let's take this higher. They're the ones who make this shit happen based on the order flow, based on their own stuff, and they have agendas. Like they have people saying, "Oh, hey, if you bring the stock up this high, we'll all make a lot of money." Like they love it when these things go high. Stocks are designed to go up. That's why they have short sale restriction and other things. That's why yeah. If you ask, I am pretty agnostic. Like right, I'm agnostic. I don't like to be biased. I follow the market, right? I'll short when I need to short. I go long when I need to go long. But if I had to pick one, yeah, I'm long biased the market in terms of how it's designed. Sure, the spike can start selling off, but that's exactly what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I mean when I say this. The market was selling off, and instead of keeping going down, what happened? The government stepped in and put money into the market in the narrative. Of course, it's just them playing games. But you see what I'm saying? There's always a narrative, a reason that someone could just put money into something and pump it up. And I think the stock market's just designed to do shit like this. Because again, when it's doing this, it's these people making all the money. So that they want it to go up. I think the fear of, oh, again the market's just gonna sell off. Sure, it happens. And it's funny, yesterday I was saying how look, we're looking, I mean, we're holding this area, kind of testing it there. It sold off. Sure, it's still holding. Like I wouldn't I mean I cut a lot of my penny stock losses. I'll show you guys I'll show my losses. Because you gotta learn from everything. So here's today. I lost. Well, I think I lost more today, but at least in the past 5 days, it's $48. And then most of my portfolio is empty because all my things broke pattern. All my patterns broke pattern, and my biggest loss was like $17. $17. These my recent losses are here. Or even maybe this updates tomorrow. Oh no. Oh wait, SYN. See 15. This is one of my biggest losers to date. These are from last year when I was fucking with options and stuff. Some risky plays, just kind of gambling pretty much. NXTD was buying something that gapped up it held at $1, but then I just kind of just left it alone and bag held it. But as of this year, my biggest loss is I think my biggest loss literally this year. Cause I'm trading this year. It might be $25. It might be this. This is recent. I just had my biggest loss of the year on one talking about one ticker, and but that's how year to date my profits are high. You see what I'm saying? I keep my losses small. I cut my losers quickly. I don't marry them. I just say fuck this shit. I think like my fuck this mentality like really helps me in the market. Like not giving up, but just like not dealing with BS. That's why like I'm really strict with like the patterns. For example, here's some like I'll show the biggest one, the SYN, and I've traded this twice. Both times I lost money because this thing just didn't go anywhere. It, it held the 50, but it gapped down. And because I only use one moving average for small caps. But here's why I don't like this now. One, earnings is coming up. Sure, it could be good, guys. It could have good ass earnings, and it can be one of the things that shoots up. That's whatever. If I miss it, I miss it. But I'm not gonna gamble like that. Yeah, I'm gonna go back to work soon after this. Everyone's back at work and stuff. But see like what's gonna have to happen now. Consolidate. Maybe you can even open up lower. We'd have to close this gap and then go up high. It's like, okay, let it do that. Then I'll get back in. Let it break and hold and prove. Let it prove itself. You know, let these things prove themselves. Let this break, hold, form some kind of, starting to form a reverse head and shoulders in this area, and then I'll get back in, right? Or I'll just forget about it. And notice how I cut my losses as soon as it's like a gap down. It went as low as 60 cents. And it didn't have to pop back up. Right? So this is just what I'm showing you. Like I take small size, and now I'm even gonna have smaller size. Probably 50 shares my max size now because of kind of what's going on in the market. And if I don't see anything good, I'm not gonna take it. But I think it's risk management is so important. Like if you just cut your losses small, you try to let your winners run. Like the other one, here's a winner. I tried to let it run, but I didn't make money on it. I made money on it before, but I lost this time. So this is one I showed. I see it's forming this ascending triangle. We already filled this gap. I was just hoping for just a pop, man, and we did. We popped. We did break this. And the thing is, I had my alert set. I didn't sell up here because I was waiting for like a bigger move. Sure. In hindsight, it pretty much got it close as you probably wanted. A 50% retracement on this level. But regardless, I was trying to hope for try to ride my winner, and it turned to a loser, and I just cut it. And it sucks, but again, it's a small loss. So and it tells you 450. See, $4.50 is my max loss total in the stock. I keep my losses small. I don't do dumb stuff. And why? Because I've done dumb shit in the past. I've bag held. I've bought pump and dumps and held them all day till they're gone. I've done all the dumb shit you can do, or most of it, not all of it. Hey Ellis, your account got banned for speaking the truth. You wanted to comment, but what's my thought on the Flight 777 engine failure? Sorry you got banned, man. That's how it goes, though. This gang hates us. Yeah, exactly. You gotta learn to cut your losses. Exactly. That's so important because you can always get back in, and you can't like think of what if. And also, a lot of times, if it comes back up to your initial entry point, you can get back in. You can back test this yourself. If you get in, it goes away from you, like you lose, and it comes back to your level. A lot of times, it will start like that'll be the time it starts going. You might just mistimed it, so you can always just get back in anyway. Like I've done that many times. Just gone back in. All right, so I didn't even know about this. This is new. It sucks it's a wait into my stream. I'm literally like doing two things at once. I'm like listening at work and I'm trying to do this, but we're gonna do this. Colorado to Hawaii, Colorado 38, Hawaii 33. Failed minutes into the flight. Pratt and Whitney engine. Yeah, I mean, I hope you can join tomorrow because we can look at this again. I already feel like I'm about to leave right now, and I'm already struggling with this. Boeing 777, 313 to 65th prime engine. Engine 54. No. No, man. It's this, but these people are so ridiculous. Engine 54, talking about this today with 54 numerology. See? This is the 223 ritual. Engine 54. Engine on United Airlines flight was showing signs of metal fatigue. So they're telling you about this again today. Oh, this is published yesterday, though. Sure, again, I'm trying to be as exact as possible, so you can probably throw that up if you want. 317 to 66 prime. Yeah, this is disappointing. Saturday, February 20th. Maybe I should start with the date that actually happened. That'll help. Well, 45 and 54 are pretty much the same number in gematria. Because when you write them out, you get the same gematria and the reflections. So I guess the numerology, I'm going to say they're pretty much the same. Conspiracy 51, Federal 51, Boeing 777, '55. Probably talk about this more tomorrow. Boeing 52. Gosh, man. Yeah, I know this is a disappointment, man, but I wish I could help you, Ellis. Like, this is just not a good decode for me. Just, I'm working in the background. Just really, it just hurt, man. Like, it's not hurt, but it's hard. Like, it's hard to think, get ready to do something, and do this. I mean, if something excuses, I'm sorry, but I'm bad at doing two things at once. I'm like the worst multitasker because I don't believe in multitasking. I think I like to focus on things and like actually trying. You know what I mean? They say multitasking is hard. This is how I half-ass stuff with this decode. Fear in the air. Fear in the air. One coronavirus, 210. That's the fear in the air. Fear in the air, one coronavirus. Oh my god. Oh my god, man. What a bunch of mockery. Honestly, just getting that out of this, pretty cool, but flames coming from the engine. Guys, this looks fake. It might not be. It might just cause might just be how they took the photo, but it looks CGI to me. Like this could easily be this person does not exist photo, just photorealistic, passing off as real. Sense the fear on the plane, guys. Like these planes, like if the engine had a problem, they can like pretty much fly almost like not perfectly without it, but like that's why nothing like I think I heard this before, but the design, like if the engine had an issue like this, they have like backup strats and stuff like that. Like sure, it's still scary. I'm not saying it's not scary. If this really happened and you were here, again, I'm talking about this particular event. This is a ritual, but they really have the thing with the airline industry. They really have made it pretty safe, like pretty like you know what I mean. They're pretty good with keeping you good on the plane because of all the advanced technology and the procedures. I mean, I'm just speaking to the technology we have. If they can manipulate the weather, I think they can keep airplanes, safe flying pretty consistently. That's like what I'm saying. I'm not promoting Boeing or Delta or all these Masonic people, but I'm trying to make you not afraid. Darny Darko vibes in this one. Yeah. No, there wasn't someone. It was someone from the chat that told us about Trader's Reality. They say 500,400 people have died. Oh my god. Oh, peace up, Bryson. Thanks for being here, brother. I really appreciate you. Keep up the good work. Guys, subscribe to Bryson Bell, man. Puts out amazing work. They outsource the design. Looks like a patch up job. Yeah, it probably is. The truck crash unfolded around 6:45 a.m. Tuesday near Highway 190. So I copy and paste this. Oil truck, oil, Texas. Train carrying oil tankers collides with 18. Oh my god. You see how instant this is? Instant. Instant. Oil 18 forwards and backwards. Literally copy the comment from the chat, paste it in, first thing. Train carrying oil tanker collides with 18 wheeler in Central Texas. Oil 18, Sun 18. It's just, come on. Get out of here, man. I'm done with this. I'm done. I am glad the stream's almost over. I mean, not for you guys. I'm glad that I don't have to look at this BS Masonic bullshit for the next several hours. Maybe until Zach streams again. Then I'll watch his stream and see more nonsense from this fucking gang. Train carrying oil. Fuck these people, man. They're so fucking annoying. Jesus, I don't like. Fuck your ads. You guys don't need fucking ads. You print the fucking money. Shit. Fucking Bank of England? Daily. Come on. This is literally from the Bank of England, and they're asking me for ad revenue. And how fucked up is that? The Bank of fucking England. This is their propaganda. City of England, or city. I meant to say City of London, but Bank of England, City of London. They run that. You know what I'm saying? And they run the World Banks and all this shit. It's the same Jesuit gang. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh my god, man. Yeah, the Bank of England does run this 100%. A train collided with an 18-wheeler in Central Texas on Tuesday morning, causing a massive explosion. So we have the power outages. Now we have this. God, energy, right? Oil is energy, power, energy. This is energy rituals. Gosh, man. Around 6:45 a.m., right? Why at 6:45? Why at 6:45 a.m.? Oil 45. See, at 6:45 a.m., hitting the 18-wheeler. This is fucking dumb as shit. The same numerical patterns every single day from the state of Texas, from the Jesuit order, who runs the state of Texas. The town of Cameron. Isn't that a... I'm not be thinking of Spencer, but Cameron might be 33. There we go. Cameron 30. Oh, and 69 like Texas. See? 69 like Texas, Cameron. Just the mockery is insane. Oil 4518. Synagogue of Satan 190. Vesca Pisces 190. The Synagogue of Satan put it at Highway 190. Northeast of Austin with the Jesuit numbers. Another explosion in Austin. Which is fucked up, guys. This is the example I always use. Every time I talk about Austin, I say, remember the Austin, Texas pipe bombing video I had? I got taken down. It was such a good video. Blew the Jesuits wide open, showing how they're doing it by the numbers. And this video might get a strike as well. Austin 84, 21, 42, explosion, right? 42, and Austin again. Wow. Wow, man. These people are literally so repetitive. It's insane. They do the same thing in the same location. See, the Austin serial bombings. On March 22nd, this is one of their 322 rituals. And I got a strike for this video. I don't know why I remember this one the most. Of all the videos I got strikes for, this one I remember the most. Because it was just such a good video. Didn't bully anyone. It's like I pretty much like bullied the FBI or whatever I'm talking about. Bullying. Hate speech. Like, what? In Pflugerville. March 22nd, 2018. Oh my god. We can just do that until today. Might as well. Blowing my mind right now. $1,069 days. 35. This is one of the numbers. 351. I don't want to say a Miriam Del Gloriam and then just type it in and get it wrong, but sorry for not having it on top of my head right now. Either that or for the greater glory of God. Just one day shy of 153 weeks, too. Look at that. You know they wanted to make it work so bad. Yep. Hey guys, if you hear a bunch of stuff in the background, please just let me know because I'm trying to balance this out before I start doing stuff. Hey, salute to you too, Franco, for being here all the time. I appreciate you for doing that. You gotta keep us in this box with the fake sports and everything. The engine is like the heart. Yep. I know, love equals 54. Like engine. But yeah, this oil tanker thing is crazy, man. Uh, like I don't know what else to say. We even got from Daily Mail, BS. 5 dead in crash in South Texas oil fields. Probably another one from some other day. Train. There's like a train. It's probably some Revelation ritual. Train 2673. See, 351 to 26 train line. So from the Austin, right? From the last day of the 322 Austin pipe bomb explosions, right? Austin serial bombing. 35 months in one day. 351 to 26 train line number. Now we have a train explosion. I mean, this is all by the code. It was a Burlington, Northern Santa Fe. Guys, BNSF, guys, that's run by the Jesuits. Absolutely. Guys, pretty much every train you see in America, at least in that side of the world, says BNSF on it. Because I've been out there before. I see that a bunch. And the first thing I think of, this is run by the gang. Blood Sacrifice 121. BNSF 67. So I don't see too much with the name behind this particular ritual, but I think that's just the main thing. By the numbers. Oh, wow. Austin serial bombings. Oh, I thought there was overlap with BNSF. Okay, I'll go back to the chat. I should start winding this down anyway. I mean, I think I don't know what's about Bitcoin either. I mean, I'm never here to predict the price. I'm just telling you what the chart was telling me, and I think they give you some time. The thing is, I don't know. Guys, I never want to call any tops or bottoms. If it breaks this level, I mean, if it's literally back at below 40K, I would say, okay, this is a reversal. But notice how this didn't retrace most of this, right? It went from 20K to 40K, back down to 30K, right? 50% retracement. So we can go from 30K to, which is around to 60K, 45K retracement, right? That's kind of where we're at right now. See, bottom at 45K. This is again, it's not an exact science, but you see how it's going. Up, back 50%. Up, back about 50% or less, or around there. So this is why it's too early to say. These are warning signs, sure, but I think there's some time. Hey, David. The F101 Voodoo is pretty cool. That was cool. I used to have a jet like thing, like a jet model thing, but I never. Hey, it was good. Hayden 2K. Jeff Doherty. That sounds like the name of one of the shows in the network. Jeff Doherty. But I just could be I could be confused with something. But I mean, if he's saying stuff like that, then he's definitely a show from the gang. Jeff Doherty. Cheesy ass watch. Lil Zay Osama. And then Artachi's asking or telling him, You can't even control how many people you follow. You're a pawn to your employer. Keep hating on shit you can never afford. Your handlers buy that for you in exchange for you being a modern day slave. Know your place, pawn. Exactly. Tell these fuckers. See, I don't know who Lil Zay Osama is, but again, he's one of these, I call them, what, progressive rappers? Yeah, I call this progressive rap. The fucking fruity ass rappers with the skinny jeans. You know, the BS music. Even if he doesn't dress like that. Look, these young black boys. This is progressive rap. These young Gen Z. Look at the skinny pants. See, yeah, progressive rapper. This is a progressive rapper. Sure, that's not what it's really called, but how's it not progressive rap? It's what it's progressing to. This BS. Look at this. Oh my god. What's he wearing? What does his shirt say? Celine? Celine. Price is, big 42 or something. Same on his chain. What a pawn. Celine 33. Look, nigger 30. I told you. Nigger 30. So no 42, but nigger 30, 48. Right in his name. Or no, not his name, his shirt, excuse me. With the E exception, E22 reversing, the master builder number, nigger 4830. Like Celine, right on the shirt. See, they always do this. Constantly. It literally says nigger, right? That's what they're saying. Again, it's in code. Lil Zay. This is stupid, man. I hate all this stuff. Where's our music? What's happened to the music? Lil Zay 77. Zay 16. Sure. Lil Zay 32, like Negro, slave 31. Itachi, I'm glad you called him a slave. Lil Zay 31, like slave. But what was he even tweeting about? Cheesy ass watch. Oh, I see. Oh, this bitch ass. Oh, I see. So I should have read the whole thing first. Lil Zay Osama. Yeah, even these D-list rappers don't choose their names. Yeah, they don't. Explains how to deal with 6ix9ine.
I gotta start doing 6ix9ine though. When y'all see him, just walk right past him. Just walk right past him. Act like y'all don't even see him. Don't start no mess with him. Don't talk to him. Don't look at him. He the feds. When y'all see the police riding past, y'all don't run up to their cops shooting at them, trying to fight them, trying to get at them. On Dre, when y'all see 6ix9ine, literally walk past him. What's up, officer? You hear me? Hey, y'all know what a motherfucker gotta start doing 6ix9ine though. When y'all see him, just walk right past him. Just walk right past him. Act like y'all don't even see him. Don't start no mess with him. Don't talk to him. Don't look at him. He the feds. When y'all see the police riding past, y'all don't run up to their cops shooting at them, trying to fight them, trying to get at them. On Dre, when y'all see 6ix9ine, literally walk past him. What's up, officer? You hear me?
Guys, this is an actor for the Jesuits. This nigga is a piece of shit. Another deceiver, divider. No way he willingly choosing that. Lil Zay Osama. I mean, his name is Lil Zay Osama. See, guys, this is my problem. You know why I didn't even get the whole reference or anything? Osama bin Laden? Because I'm like, what's new? Like, I'm just so used to it. I'm so used to looking at some bitch-ass agent, some young progressive, skinny jean wearing piece of shit nigga right like this. Like Lucifer, Lil Uzi Vert, right? Lil Zay Osama, Barack Hussein Obama, right? I see all this garbage. I just don't even think twice anymore. Because I'm just that used to. Again, I'm not saying you guys aren't used to it either, but just my brain is just like shut off from me piecing the shit together. From like, oh yeah, Osama bin Laden. It's like, what else would they do at this point? It's always the same mockery. Lil Zay Osama, 44, 163, rapper 38, 163 to 38 prime, kill 44, death 38. With those numbers, gonna be hearing about Lil Zay Osama demise. Lil Zay Osama demise this decade, unfortunately. Yo, Lil Zay Osama, are you allowed to respond? Following 42 people, probably not even allowed to respond. February 42, boy 42, slavery 42, nigger 42, Tuskegee 42, bus 42. Learn Gematria, don't get sacrificed for your employer's leisure. Bro, if you don't shut the fuck up. Yo, this nigga right here, Leonard Washington, look at this fucker. Look at this idiot. Too smooth, don't need no lubricant. Yeah, because you love it dry and rough up your fucking ass from the Catholic Church. That's why. Fucking, I can't even say what he is because I'll get a fucking strike. But you know exactly what I was about to say. What will your single digit IQ ass do? Go back to idolizing strangers, exactly. And then they think this is a. I mean, this might be it. I don't know what Rich looks like. This could be him. But they think this is him because there's a picture from on Twitter. They think it's him. Look at your big ass. You look slow with it. That weak ass watch. You get no host saying dumb as shit on the internet. What? Cheesy, and then Lil Zay something cheesy ass watch. Yo, of course, you know why? Because again, it's the mind control, it's the jewelry. See, I tell you exactly why I said this. Besides for the Jesuits, what's it say? It says of his own volition. It's because it's jewelry. He felt compelled to dog Itachi Rich over his jewelry because again, that's what all he knows: jewelry, clothes, cars. You know, his chains on. He thinks he's the man. Like a cheesy ass watch, man. Like, you see what I'm saying? This is where his mind's at. You can't even control how many people you follow. You're a pawn to your employer. Keep hating on shit you can never afford. Your handlers buy that for you in exchange for you being a modern day slave. Know your place, pawn. Motherfucker really follows 42 people and trying to talk shit. Exactly. 42. What, really? Oh, God, man. Nigger 42 following 42 people? Trench baby? What the fuck is this? Trench baby? Oh my god, Trench Baby 44, like its fucking name. By the numbers. Trench Baby 44, Lil Zay, Osama. Guys, this is an actor. This is an agent for the gang. He's gonna get killed by the numbers. Is this guy on Wikipedia? I fucking hope so. We're gonna blow this fucker wide open. I'm sick of these bitch ass rappers. What is going on with this world? Why do people like Tupac and like hell, even like Fat Joe, Jadakiss, Young Jeezy? I'm not even saying these guys are like super duper good or anything, but still, why? There's no like Young Jeezy type rappers anymore. You know, it's just you get shit like this. Oh, no birthday, BS, man. We're gonna get a birthday. Stupid. This is the last thing we're talking about. I'd rather keep talking about this guy until I have to go for work. June 3rd, 1997. Your racism 63. Catholic 35. Born day with 35 life lesson number. Black 106. Oh my god, look. Born day with 211 days remaining. Wait. Yeah. Osama bin Laden 47. You know, 211 to 47 prime. Osama bin Laden 47. Unbelievable. Shooters, see? Shooting equals 44. Shooters featuring Doughboy video out now. Trench Baby mixtape out now. Play some garbage music, which I would love to show you and mock, but there's also the copyright strike for sure. Always making fun of my music. Trench Baby. And get baby, you know, like little baby, dumb, black boys, baby, stupid, don't know anything. That's what they're saying. With a mask on his face, the face mask. Loyalty, because you're fucking stupid. That's why. You're loyal to a fucking Jesuit actor. Cheesy ass watch. What a piece of shit. This guy's so stupid. I want to see when Trench Baby came out. Was this anything on here? Yeah, see, I'm so glad we have this. Trench Baby was released February 19th, 2021. And during Black History Month, the guy following 42 people. What, February 19th, I meant to say. See, 42 numerology. Trench Baby coming out with 42 numerology. Come on. Baby with the Jesuit numbers. Baby 24, the reflection. See this? Nigger 42. He's following 42 people. And Trench Baby comes out on the day with 42 numerology. This is an actor. Or just another pawn, more so. I mean, acting per se, I haven't seen him do much acting yet. But again, once you're a pawn for this gang, you're going to be an actor for them. If not now, then later. Bobby Shmurda, right now, he's acting for the gang. Maybe he started out, making his music, farmed, but you just saw maybe he does this kind of BS on here. But now, well, I forgot about, no, he is. This is an act. This is an act right here. He's acting. Sorry. I forgot about this part. This is an actor for the gang. Again, the word I use, I hope it's not you don't get too caught up on it. This is an agent, a puppet, a pawn, a deceiver, a piece of shit. It doesn't matter. Lil Zay Osama. I mean, these people are so stupid. Unbelievable. Got the guns out. Yeah, I mean, we need to get the guns out. Go to that guy's fucking crib. 44 again. No way, dead. The baby. How can any parent encourage their kids into these fuckers is beyond me. Exactly. Oh, because the parents listen to the music as well. The parents are listening to this fucking kid. Yep, sellouts. Money can do a lot of good, but it's the love of it that drives evil. Exactly. It's this guy's love for money that makes him. Guys, this guy's probably gonna kill 6ix9ine if he has to by the numbers. Kill his family. But we gotta see Trench Baby, June 3rd. That's his birthday. How old is this guy right now? 23. Baby 24. So it's his upcoming 24th birthday. I'll show you this is another pod. June 3rd. Jesus Christ 146. Always have these Jesus Christ numbers on these rappers. Rapper 38. When you write out 15, you get 38. It is a span of 15 weeks. But Jesus Christ 146. Roman Catholic Church 104. Jesus Christ, the Trench Baby, born in the manger. I don't know if that's the trenches. I'm not trying to even make a parallel with that, honestly. But again, it could be some baby Jesus ritual. From his 23rd birthday. 261 days. 37 weeks and 3 days. Guys, this is an actor for the Jesuits. Rapper 74. 373 is a 74 prime. And this rapper's mixtape coming out 37 weeks and 3 days from his birthday. This is an agent for the Society of Jesus. It's just so obvious at this point. Like, honestly, I kind of want to tell this guy off too, but I kind of want to wait till after the stream because I think I'll just take time to do that. Or else what's going on? I mean, I might as well say something now. I mean, come on. Fuck this guy. I mean, I don't know what to say to him, though. This guy's so stupid. What a dumbass. And he's probably not going to say anything either. I'm just going to tell him his Trench Baby sucks. Your Trench Baby mixtape is trash, bro. Released 37 weeks and 3 days from your birthday. Your 23rd birthday. $373 is the 74th prime number. I got a hashtag Trench Baby, so when people see it, search for this bitch ass dumbass's album. Your Trench Baby mixtape is trash, bro. Released 37 weeks and 3 days from your 23rd birthday. 373 server prime number. Rapper equals 74. Released on a date with 42 numerology. 2/19/21. I'm about to go, guys. It's angry here. I'm about to leave. 42. Yep. All right, guys. I got like so I'm gonna tweet this. Go to chat. We'll be done. But I'm so glad we're ending with this. This is awesome. Thanks a lot again, Rich Itachi. Release on day with 14 numerology. And I mean he gets it. I'm just a star. Nigga equals 42. You follow 42 people. Jesuit 42. Your employer. Learn Gematria. I'm gonna ask him. I'm gonna be polite. Please learn gematria. Your trench baby makes up his trash, bro. Released 37 weeks and 3 days from your 23rd birthday. 373. Is it 47? What's trench baby equal again? Oh, it's 44, like his name. I don't have room to fit that. Maybe I'll do that later. I'll do it in a follow-up tweet real quick. Here. Guys, again, we already have proven and confirmed that celebrities watch this. What was his name? Naheem? He watches this. YFN Naheem. I hope he's still watching. I mean, he doesn't have to. Hope he watched enough and understands what's going on. If he watched one thing or two things and gets what these people are doing and doesn't watch again and unsubscribes, perfect. That's fine. I say it all the time. I don't care. I'm here to wake people up and show them what's going on. If they want to leave afterwards, perfect. You know, my job is done. So I'm gonna post this to him and give him another thing. Yeah, he'll see it. I mean, hopefully he sees it. This guy's a D-list rapper, so he has time for this. Isn't that what that means? This guy's so retarded, man. Sorry, I just don't like this person. He's giving my man Rich some bullshit. Yeah, I'll follow him though. See what else crap. So when the guy gets murdered by the numbers, we can keep on top of it. I am helping him out with his followers, sure, but I think it's worth the price to pay to keep on top of this piece of shit. Lil Zay Osama equals 44. Trench Babe equals 44. Hashtag gematria. You are working with a very terrible company. They are called Jesuits Global, because that's the Society of Jesus. They have your mind controlled with the jewelry and hose. Run away while you still can. I'm helping this nigga out. That's what I'm saying. Guys, I look at these people with compassion. I'm not mocking and making fun of them. Kill equals 44. MLK assassinated 4-4. See? So we can see that example. Get rid of this period, get rid of this period, we're done. See? It's so easy to wake these people up if they take the time to listen. So when he dies by the numbers, or if he does, we can say we warned him. When he starts killing his family members, we can say, well, we tried to stop him, right? Like, I'm not going to just laugh at this guy. I know Taji's waking him up too. He's waking him up. I'm not going to just hear laugh at this guy and not wake his ass up. I mean, how am I helping him? He's going to be shook. He better. I mean, guys, if YFN Naheem saw what's going on and said, damn, like, he understood it, the guy, he's a smart kid, dude. You know, he's smart. He's one of those progressive rappers, probably one of the cooler ones. Yeah, I mean, I use that term derogatorily. I still don't know what else to call it. It's progressive rap. It's Gen Z rap. It's what these people are doing. I'm not a fan of it, but you know, if you like it, it's your music. Oh, for sure, T-Roll. Yeah, I mean the guy. I mean him well. I mean, he's a young black man who doesn't know what's going on. At the end of the day, he's a young boy. Look at him. I mean, the guy probably just doesn't know better at the end of the day. Was it like 16, 12, 13? I don't know. The guy's under 18. He's younger than me. Here's the thing: he's younger than me, and even if he was older than me, it doesn't matter. But even he's younger than me, you know, it's my duty to look out for the younger ones. I'm not gonna sit here and say Gen Z's fucked, but then not do something about it. Like, I'm gonna actually reach out to Gen Z and say, look, this is an agenda. I mean, look at your shirt. You're getting Celine with the same as nigger, 30, 40, 30, and 48 like nigger. I mean, come on, look what he's wearing. What does this chain say? ALZN. See, all day jamming. It's probably one of his hashtags, right? I wish I knew what his chain said, because I wanted to code it. But I just can't read it properly, and I don't want to guess. All Zay Sama. Right? No, it's not an A, though. A, because what would this be? Oh, Lil Zay Osama. That's what the fuck. Also, that's his name. It equals 44. Okay. Okay, so it's something you wear a chain around your neck that says 44, man. Like, bro, come on. Look what your chain says. Kill 44, 64. Death, killing, murder, 38. This guy's gonna die by the numbers, man. And we're gonna make. And then guess what? I'm gonna be alive. We'll hopefully making this video, showing you. I'm knocking wood, that this is by the numbers, propaganda by the code. Oh, thanks a lot, Jeremiah. Yeah, we do this need his real name. Oh, we did. Well, we got this from here. Isaiah Dukes. Doesn't Duke equal 44? I feel like the team is only 44. I could be wrong though. No, it's 43. Dukes is 44 though. Isaiah. Oh, I was looking at guys. Isaiah Dukes 44. Look at this shit. I'm gonna do Isaiah Dukes 44. Come on, man. This is an actor. This is the last tweet I'm gonna do to him for now. He gets another tweet. This guy gets another tweet. What? Oh, here we go. This guy's gonna trip his ass up. I mean, his real name. Come on, he's gonna be like, "Damn, Isaiah Dukes 44, Lil Zay Osama 44 in his mixtape." That's all we're gonna do, and then we'll do kill. But what if he reports me for giving a death threat? That'll be interesting. He reports me for death threats, like I'm threatening his life. That'll be hilarious, and I get a strike or something on this. I hope that happens just for the mockery aspect to see how fucking dumb all this shit is. Lil Zay Osama 44, Isaiah Dukes 44, and then what was it? Trench Baby 44. I can't, and all in the same cipher too. This is blowing my mind, but not really, because again, it's another rapper is going to go up by the numbers. What was he born? They said 97. Oh, 23. He's a little older than I thought. Yeah, I said he was 16, 17, 13. Sorry, guys. He's supposedly 23, but again, I can't really trust this too. But regardless, he's younger than me. I'm gonna look out for him. Lil Zay Osama, Isaiah Dukes, Trench Baby, and then Kill, Execution. Also, black African American, black people, all that too. But this guy needs to watch out. We're talking about the rap industry. I'm just gonna get straight to the point. Kill, and I think we just have hashtag Gematria. And then can I link Zach? I think Zach has the actuals. Yeah, Zachary Hubbard. There we go. I'm trying to learn more. I know what to do. Please learn more. I'll go with English Ordinal. Please more and more here. And follow. I think that's all I can do. That's fine. There we go. Perfect. See? Guys, do you see how this is why I love Twitter? Look how easy this is. These guys probably gonna block me soon though. But we'll see. It'll let you know if they block you. This guy's gonna. That's why you need to be careful. I don't want to do too much, and he's just gonna block me because then I'll just spam him. But I gave him 3 tweets. Yeah, to be popular with man is the enemy of God. I mean, that makes a lot of sense to me. I'm not for being popular. Hopefully that doesn't happen. Yeah, I mean, I hope this guy doesn't die. I mean, but I think it's going to. I mean, the guy has a terrible name. That's why Trump didn't apply to the 4th Amendment, because we are under the shadow government, which is just a corporation since 1871. Yep. Ulysses was our last president of country and our first president, USA Inc. Based on the corporate, yeah, I see what you're saying. Yes, interesting. Yep, 1871, Catholic 71. They watching, why block when they can watch? Exactly. And this thing, if he doesn't block me, it means that he's onto it, right? I really feel like if he doesn't block me, that's a good thing. He's like, maybe he saw it. Yeah, it's all good. Yeah, it's all good, Patrick. Man, you being here in the chat, that's all good enough. Because if someone wants to stay away from Twitter, because Twitter has a bunch of BS on there, I understand why you want to stay away. But I have no problem tweeting this fucker. By the numbers. So we'll he's from Chicago too. The 46. So we're gonna leave it there. I gotta go back to work. But this is a perfect way to end this. What another good stream. Thanks a lot for sharing this, Rich. You're definitely watching by now. He better. And I linked to this act too. I mean, guys, we're gonna wake up these Gen Z ass rappers. If it's the last thing I do, I'm gonna wake up every single one of them. That's my goal. Every single one of these dumb ass Gen Z fucking rappers. Not that they're dumb. It's like I'm not saying. It's just like the music that they're participating in, and the style and the where shit's headed. I just don't like that shit. But these Gen Z ass, trash ass rappers, they're gonna have to wake up, and because I know I did my shit. So I love you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace, much love. Anyone just join, watch the replay. But if you want to recap, I mean, this guy's just an agent. It's really Trench Baby 44, Lozale Osama 44, kill African American, execution black people. His real name 44. I mean, it's over. And his name is the 38. I mean, guy needs to watch out. I do contracting, so I just work at home, do software development. Yeah, thanks a lot. Peace out, y'all. Much love. I'll see you later.